guys, I'm Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over how to make planks more difficult. So if your planks are feeling too easy, then this video is going to teach you how to progress them and make them more challenging. This is part 2 of a series of plank videos. Part 1 went over the basics of all types of planks. So we went over how to do side planks, reverse planks, regular planks. So in that video, I taught you how to do those in good form. So I suggest watching that first because we're not going to go over those kinds of basics in today's video. We're just going to go over how to basically make the planks more challenging. Keep in mind, planks are a relatively challenging exercise on their own, so make sure you're able to do your planks in good form before you're trying to add on to them. You don't need to rush to progress your exercises, but if you are at the point where you feel like you can hold your plank for a while, it's really easy, then yes, it's good to challenge your body, and then that's what we're going to go over today. We're going to go over 4 different ways you can make your planks harder. So we'll go over how to make regular planks more challenging, side planks more challenging, and reverse planks more challenging. With all that said, let's get into our planks. First up, we're going to make our regular plank more challenging. So a plank where you're on your hands. To do this, we're going to do shoulder taps. So it looks like this. So remember, part 1 goes over all basic form in a plank. For shoulder taps, make sure you're keeping that slight bend in your elbows so you're not locking out the elbows while you're doing this, okay? You're basically gonna put the weight in one hand, tap your shoulder with one hand, and then come back down and tap the other one. You wanna make sure you're not shifting your body too much. You're really trying to keep the torso still pointing facing down. So you're not like tapping one shoulder and turning to open this way. Okay, you're tapping one shoulder while still keeping your hip points facing down. And when you focus on doing it that way, this is a pretty challenging exercise. Next up, we're going to do forearm planks. To make these more challenging, we're going to be moving our lower body. So we're basically going to be going in and out with the toes. So keeping your good plank form, feet start together. You're going to tap one foot out, bring it back in. Tap the other foot out, bring it back in. Keep your hip points facing down. You're not twisting your torso. Okay, to make side planks more challenging, we're going to be moving our arm and leg. So when we do our side planks, typically the side that is facing the ground, so right now I'm on my right elbow, so my right side is going to be doing a lot of the work. When we add in this extra challenge, my left side of my core is also going to work. So this is going to be kind of a good total abdominal exercise. Okay, so keeping yourself in good form, you're going to reach your top arm out and lift your top leg up. This is challenging already to hold here. To add in that extra bit of core work, you're going to bring the knee in and bring the arm in and then reach back out. So moving on and off here, making sure again, you're not twisting your body, so you're not opening up toward the sky. You're still keeping your hip points facing forward. Okay, so reverse planks. I don't know if you really need to make these more challenging. They're pretty difficult on their own, but to up it, for those of you that feel like you need more of a challenge, we're going to be lifting one leg in. This is going to be a lot of work on the leg that's going to be stabilizing you, okay? So it's a pretty challenging exercise. So again, getting into your good form, what you're going to do is you're going to bring one leg in toward your chest, bring it back down, and switch sides. If you're in sneakers or if it doesn't bother your heels, you can also do this with the feet a little more flexed instead of the toes pointed. Sometimes it's a little more challenging to stabilize yourself with the toes pointed. So if you have the feet a little more flexed, you could do the same thing. And you might find it a little easier. You just don't want to have any pain in your heels. This might be better if it's done with sneakers. 4 sets and reps for all of these exercises. 3 sets of 10 would really work for any of them. You could also change it up. So I recommend doing 3 to 4 sets and then keeping your reps between, say, 8 to 15 reps. So there you have it. If your planks are feeling too easy, there are 4 different ways that you can make your planks harder. Thank you guys for watching this video. Here on this channel, I provide training tips like we went over today. I do yoga flows and I talk about holistic living. So if you're interested in that, please hit that subscribe button right below me and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.